my watercolors and my brushes were my inspiration. जो मुझे inspire करती थी to take out all my stress, to take out all my time जो मुझे पढ़ाई में नहीं लगाना था. I'm basically by profession I was engineer. उसके बाद I went to a private university. I started doing that first semester. I came to know that there is a whole field of media sciences. और उसमें I came to know about the people who were doing, they were artists, they were drawing, they were doing photography. उसमें I had interest in that. So initially I was artist, वो जो एक glass पे painting बनाता था और then उसको rub करता था, and then career started from that one glass to a whole canvas of filming. So this is by inspiration of art direction basically. Yes, I basically see. For me, every set, every approach is every set direction, set art direction is a new approach for every project. So I bring up new techniques like building new customized stuff, customized lights for set, customized sofa. We customize every little shit with what we put on the set. Like so I started asking people that why don't we put the roof on the set. So उन्होंने बोला कि नहीं, it's difficult to light or it's not easy to put up sets like that. So I brought up the idea to put sets which has a roof and low height. So it looked more realistic than the other sets what we used to shoot. So this is what is new innovation for me. Budget तो किसी के पास होता ही नहीं है, but the timelines what we get is what we have to set. हम set करते हैं कि what we need, how much time we need. So slowly and gradually you build up things. It's a very very growing process कि आज एक दीवार बनी है, उस दीवार का कलर हुआ है, कलर पे डिटेल हुई है या डिटेल हुई है फिर दीवार पे कलर हुआ है, एंड देन जब दीवार पूरी बन गई, जब पूरा सेट रेडी हो गया, so you have to put up the props. Art direction is basically a mixture of everything. I think it's the tools, it's the instruments, it's the search engine, you name it. It's everything. It's materialing, it's processing, it's customizing. I mean, it's everything. So for me, art direction, the new innovation that have come to in art direction, that we started using AI. We have started doing our research on different platforms, and then most of the time what we do is we start looking into spaces what we actually observe, and then we put up on the set कि ये किस तरह real लगेगा. My main approach for building a set is always a realistic approach कि उसका material से लेके उसका architectural design has to be real. I mean, there should be nothing which is extra. The recent times project that I remember is one train I built. Basically what we build is all portable. So इस दफ़ा जो train हमने बनाई थी, we went a little higher to our thinking and approaches. So हम उसमें we made a whole solid train with solid structures and real material. Steel है तो वो steel है. The one border पे जो हमारी लगी हुई होती है जो बताती है next station is जो भी next station की है. So उसमें जो LCD लगी हुई थी तो वो we also put that. For me, my inspirations and my mentors are my teachers जिनके साथ I have been working a lot. I mean, I started my career with them. My only suggestion to all of the new art directors that come and see and implement that thing on your set. You just have to be practical and you have to be very observant to the thing we are doing.